Hi, Marina. My name's Corey. Amber told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how to actually get more traffic to your website and really draw in more quality work for yourself as well. Anyway, I got your website pulled up here. Just scanning through it, the first thing I'm going to go over is content. Just being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Bringing your word count up to about 1,500 words, maybe even 2,000. Being really authoric in what you do and how you do it's going to make a huge difference. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer other keywords. Keywords, what you're actually trying to be found for. Even these little images right here, these are all saved as a content. Google sees all this. You can change that to different keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings even more. If I go inside of Google here and actually type in air conditioning repair St. Petersburg FL, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are actually brand new. They came up with these because these old school traditional ads became very spammy. A lot of people have been going away with ads just because of they putting up ad blockers. A lot of ads aren't even getting through nowadays anyway. I don't know if you're doing ads. I'll see here in a second. But anyway, they came up with these to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. I've seen ads anywhere from $30 to $140 for a click, so they can get pretty pricey at the end of the day. Underneath the ads, we have this little map section here. So really, to get the rankings in this section here is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section is going to be dealing with all the organic rankings. This right here is the first page of Google, and that authoric content, like we were talking about earlier, it's going to make a huge difference, and also being found for those keywords. But also, what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. So if I just take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So right now you got 36 referring domains, which is pushing back just a little over 200 backlinks. Looks like you're being found for 403 keywords. Looks like you started this thing back in 2013 or so. Kind of had your journey from there. But in total, you got about 78 clicks to your website every month. This PPC stands for pay per click, so it doesn't look like you're running any ads here. But I don't know if you're doing any type of radio commercials, TV. I know those get kind of pricey too. Anyway, seeing where these 78 clicks are actually coming from. You have your name here at the top. Air conditioning St. Petersburg, yeah, there's 70 clicks every month for that one keyword. You're 11th position, so you're just getting a click off that the volume there. So not a whole lot. No more of your name here. St. Petersburg Air Conditioning, 30 clicks every month, 11th position. You're missing the traffic. AC Repairs St. Petersburg, 70 clicks every month, 15th position. So you're missing all the traffic once again. So really, you're just ranking for a lot of your name. But let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Total Air Conditioning. Put them inside of Ahrefs. They got 786 backlinks coming from 188 referring domains. They're being found for 711 keywords. And in total, they're getting 375 clicks to their website every month. Kind of give you an idea of what they're ranking for. Shows you their position, the amount of traffic that you're getting per keyword, and also the volume per keyword as well. So kind of going through a couple of these. AC Repair St. Petersburg, 70 clicks every month. First position, they're getting 23 clicks out of the 70 on that one keyword. Air Conditioning St. Petersburg, 70 clicks off that keyword again. First position, still getting a decent amount of clicks. AC Repair St. Pete, 50 clicks. Out of the 50, they're getting 16 clicks, holding that first position. You know what? If we came in here and grabbed some of these buyers intent keywords, and you got an extra 100, 150 clicks to your website, what would that do for your business? Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, you think that I might have a few tricks up my sleeve, feel free to hit me back up, get a hold of me, or just leave me a review on how I did on this video, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thank you.